Hey there! Ready to dive into the wonderful world of creating offers? We're super excited to have you on board and help you create irresistible offers for your shoppers. Let's get started on your first offer together. First things first, click that Create Offer button and let the magic begin. Trust us, it's easier than you think. In the Content tab, we'll focus on manual offers. It's like playing personal shopper and curating the perfect products for your customers. Add the products you want to offer. Give it a catchy title, just for your reference, and spice up the offer text to make it super tempting. Feel free to let your brand's personality shine through by customizing the button text too. Now, let's jump to the Placement tab. This is where you get to decide where your offer will make its grand appearance. Whether it's on the product page or the cart page, or both, pick the spots that give your offer the best visibility. We want your shoppers to see it and fall in love. Next stop, the Appearance tab. Here's where the fun really begins. Customize the look and feel of your offer to perfectly match your website's vibe and design. With a few clicks, you can make it pop and stand out in all the right ways. Trust us, your customers won't be able to resist. Feeling tech savvy? Great. Let's explore the Advanced tab. This section is for the coding whizzes among us who want to take customization to the next level. With HTML and CSS magic, you can make your offer truly one of a kind. But hey, if coding isn't your thing, no worries. Our super friendly customer support team is here to help you out. All right, you're almost there. Once you've finished setting up your offer, you can save it as a draft or confidently hit that publish button. It's your call, and we're cheering you on no matter what you choose. Remember, if you run into any questions or need a helping hand, just give us a shout. We're here to support you and ensure your offer is a huge success. Now, go rock that first offer and wow your shoppers like never before. Happy creating!